Wagwan guys, blessed afternoon. Today is officially Romaria's graduation and we're out. Say hi son. Look for my boy. Watch nice, watch excitement, watch mother. Watch nice mother.
Why you have
come out like watch there.
you gonna stop lick me?
Look there.
Yeah, look at me.
Watch nice. Watch nice. And we're officially at Fair Prospect High School. I watch my son nice. And I take a grandma, I mean, need a picture with her.
I need one by myself.
Watch mother bros. Watch proud mommy. I want the proud one. See fix me no buy screen out there. So
Come on, hurry up and
Kiwi. I want to see. Watch nice mother.
What's up, girl? What up, girl?
in black.
With your big face. Guys, I'm trying to say you will always see me in Kim's videos.
Come, we're going down. Come. Leave my son color nice and clean. I want them. Oh, my son color nice. Don't miss her. You know, see them down on the field. You know, I tell me, down on the field, more than him carry up here. And when we are past, but him still see it and him come all the way over here, so. But let me see Mara there, so. And it's the end of bye-bye for Fair Prospect for us. It's the end of bye-bye for Fair Prospect. Watch enough, mother. I'm gonna carry go down there, so. Oi.
Watch him. Naje, say hi. Naje, say hi. Yeah. Say hi, Kim. Say hi, fans. Have fun. Yeah. Hello, I see big Naje. Man, so hot. La lie. Let's look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Can it view? Look at all these people.
It's white crowd.
You know, see Mara around this house, you pass Mara around the back. The year on a back. Now if I think I decide to see it, I'll be here. No, the chair, everybody have to take up and chair, so that's why the chair. I just take up and chair and come put your right or something. You know, sit down with me, son. You bought no jack? They come here around to come down like me crazy. They're going to do my juice. You want some my juice? Them can't know how much people are coming, so they get 1 minute and limited a chair now. Where for it? Like people are coming to support them. I have a stand up and I'm going to wait till the graduation community and I will come out of here. I'll sketch more and catch them coming. I'll take around the family for time here. Take it. Now just pull up my phone, I don't know what to do there. I want to be car to style in that time. Look at your time to reach it. They are on teacher from children, but they are not on camera. They can't be a question if you want to. Everybody now see that me try to come and school sit down for me. I'm going to look some people come up and come on, you want to take too long,
At this time we'll begin so that we can watch as our graduates of class 2023-2024 make their way to the front and to take their seats.
It's a little intimidating. Since there's no way to calm down, let's give them something amazing. That makes them remember. Using one word. Incredible.
Secret school hacks nobody knows about. It's called Nerd.
Father, lead me day by day. I invite you to stand at this time.
I'm here. We can hear. We can hear.
We'll do the introduction of the chairperson.
Nache.
Martina Graham is a proud graduate from the Michael University College, where she acquired a bachelor's degree in primary education. She's currently a 6th grade teacher at the Jessie Primary School. Graham is both diligent in her teaching practice and commitment to her profession. Ms. Graham has a special interest in performing arts and has been awarded the show for her excellent performances, individually and for her students. She teaches. She is the primary speech drama teacher at her place of employment. She is the recipient of the
Visiting principal from Rural Hill Primary, our guest speaker, parents, teachers,
me a countryman,
graduates,
me a woman,
other visitors, boys and girls. A pleasant afternoon to you all. I now present to you the principal's report. The 2023-2024 school year, which commenced on September 4, 2023, marked the 54th year of existence of the Fair Prospect High School.
And I've learned that sometimes I also want to put something on your heart. It's always good to be impressionable. You see that first impression? It truly lasts. And remember that the person who is shy and always in the back, no one remembers you. When something comes up, you're going to remember that forward person. That helpful and kind individual. Integrity is the guiding star. Integrity is the unwavering commitment to doing the right thing, even when no one is watching. It's about living your values and holding yourself to the highest ethical standards. Think of integrity as your guiding star, leading you through moral complexities of life. There will be temptations along the way. Easy paths that may seem appealing in the short term but ultimately lead you astray. Being a shopper might seem enticing, but think about the hiring. Romain Wongsa. Rihanna Thomas. Romario Bourne. Patrick Thomas. welcome Renelia Barnes again for the most outstanding student in information technology. For the most outstanding student in language development, Justin Yufa. For the most outstanding student in EDPM, Kariana Patrick. That person is not here. The most outstanding student in food preparation, we have T1 Brown, he's not here also. Romain Wangsong. The most outstanding student in metal technology. Ramaria Materi. The most outstanding student in principles of business.
That's my boy. Ramaria. Always right too. From him born right too. Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture. Let's start the video.
Colin Baker.
Come here.
The most outstanding student. Thank you very much, Mrs. Williams Johnson. We will ask Miss Inspire Larry, most outstanding student in social studies.
Like always.